washo ukunye kwamathenjwa bazothi zingaki insuku ethule bese uthi wena zimbili bethi kusekuncane uyalithula neviki ukuze abantu abaright imoto abayaziyo kuyizwa na
Yazwa.
akuthi akuzwakala kahle kwenzekani lo owethu uma uphaka ukudla engadli ungabuzi kulapha bazokuthatha itshetshu yakho kwi-celebrate thina siyokutshela ukuthi hayi uzogcina edlile khani indlovu enamandla wena ophahla enhloko uzosmayela amayiqembe bese yazi
uThixo uvumile usathana udanile umpunge osenomathenjwa yes bayachata halala 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 yo halala. Guys, you know what? I actually have an idea. If Umpungose actually watches this video, literally ngicela angisayine because what do you mean? The girl can sing Kesana. Anyways, I just wanted to congratulate Umpungose. Wanted to wish a huge, massive congratulations to the award-winning star umaskandi artistic Bafowethu Ukhuzani Mpungose. Of course, this was such a huge, massive surprise to all of his fans around South Africa as well as friends, because there has been so many speculations going around. Ukhuzani, who is he dating? Itinindo yakhe. Some people were even saying, is he straight? Because men, especially men with money, they like uyabona nje being womanizers and all these things abazenzayo. But Ukhuzani managed to basically protect or can only revealed her saying umfazi as a bride. Her name is Unonduduzo Mathenjwa, and so I guess the guessing game is over. This is her Bafowethu. She looks absolutely gorgeous, and it is also said that she is the mother to his children. So it's not just someone new just because the money came in, then ke wachinja ke waba nomnye umuntu, but no, kuthiwa ngumuntu ekwakudala egudla naye lona ke Bafowethu. Also, a huge, massive congratulations to their families, because they ensured that even after the lobola was paid, they kept it on the low. They kept Kesana they kept it on the low, and no one basically exposed who she is, and no one went to amaphephandaba discuss into bangubani. So they did have their very private wedding Bafowethu. It was held at the Zungunes, which is owned by Amazulu Soccer Club boss Usandile Zungu. So yeah, Bafowethu, this will be the update of the hour. Do let me know your thoughts, and I will surely see you shortly. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. Bye.